back to Crypto's Rich Boy. Today we're going to be going over TCG World, the Dragons, and TCG 2.0. But before we get started, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and share it with your friends. Now, we have the end of the quarter coming up, guys, the end of the month coming up, guys. So, with that being said, we do have the price action kind of a little bit just trading sideways. It went negative for a little bit, trading sideways. A lot of people think that next quarter, which is starting next week, is going to be a decent quarter. They think it's going to have some gains. They think that there's going to be, end of year. People are trying to make their books look better, so on and so forth. So let's get to the price of TCG 2.0. We are at 3.645 cents. Guys, this is something where we just have to wait. We just have to sit back and let time take its course. It's kind of like the waiting game. I know back in 2000, what was it, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, the housing market. It's kind of that's what this reminds me of. I got into into the I got a house pretty much in 2012, and it was just when the market was kind of starting to creep back up. The market was still very low. You could get a 3-2 for about 100 and something $1,000, low end 100 and something thousand. Now you can't even get a 3-2 for low 300s. You're looking at 350, 400,000 for a basic three bedroom, two bath house, even in an okay area. So that's what I guess I'm trying to say is that when it comes to TCG 2.0, when it comes to all these other investments, I kind of feel like this is when I got in. We're at the point to when I get it. We're not at the well for TCG 2.0, we are at the lows, but for Bitcoin it hit 15,000, right? It's up at 26,000 dollars, and we are just trading sideways. So the market's getting kind of boring. I don't know if anybody follows Ben Armstrong or BitBoy, but there's some exciting stuff going on over there. A lot of drama, but it keeps the market eyes on the market, right? So, but let's go ahead and take a look at the dragons. So for the dragons, we have the price floor is at 0.114. So if you guys want to go ahead and grab a dragon, it's going to cost you $180.78. So not too bad because you got to think a year and a half, 2 years ago, or maybe it was about a year ago. I think it was 2022. These things were going for over $1,000, and now they are fractions of that. Only 0.6% is listed, so that is crazy. So 99.4% is not listed. People are seeing the value of these things. They're holding these things. So that is something that is very, very positive. So let's go ahead and take a look at David's X or Twitter. So we got 1 hour ago, Central City, the shopping mall. More sneak peeks of the mall are here. Feel like you're already there as we get ready for awesome deals, products, and amazing atmosphere. Guys, look at this. If you guys want to just kind of take a little break, look at that. You guys can walk around in the metaverse with the nice palm trees, which as a Floridian, I am definitely used to those. They are pretty nice. Go to the beach, just have a palm tree. I actually got two of these things in my backyard. It's kind of crazy. I was told when I moved in, the one of the selling points was like, "Hey, you see those two palm trees? Those things are about $4,000 a piece to bring in, and you got two of them." I was like, "What?" They said those are the nicer ones. They said you got one in the front yard, but that's I think a native one. So pretty cool fun fact. So I got these kind of palm trees in my backyard. So it's definitely gonna make me feel right at home. So September 25th, discover your storyline, live, play, and earn in the metaverse. How would you seize these opportunities? Capture NFT creatures and battle. Explore, build, create, socialize, experience a world where anything is possible. So things that you can't do in the real world, guys, you guys could be able to do in the metaverse. It is pretty kind of cool to think about. Like for us Floridians, we do not see snow. Last time I seen snow was a couple years ago, and I had to go. I think it was Nebraska to actually go and see that. So be kind of cool to go to the north, hang out, get the little snow vibes and the nice 90-degree weather in December, 80 or 90-degree weather. Yeah, it's crazy. It's middle of winter and Florida is like 80 degrees and it's like how is it 80 degrees? Which a lot of people are like, well, don't complain because it's better than shoveling snow, and that's true. That's true. Um, but I wouldn't. It wouldn't hurt to just try it once, right? Gotta try, right? So optimize the strength of your sprites to defeat opponents. Leveling up your creatures will be essential. This can be achieved through intense training to reach max evolution. Unlock the full potential and power of your sprites. Will you reign supreme? So pretty awesome stuff, guys. Super exciting. Let's go ahead and take a look at mystery boxes, then the staking opportunities, and see what we got there. So mystery boxes, we have. Oh, when this loads, I thought it was gonna load. Sometimes I like start a sentence hoping like it'll load so I can kind of finish it, but I don't know what's going on. Let's see. Maybe I gotta. Let's take a look at the marketplace real quick. See what we got there. So guys, we got golds at 0.5 BNB, so 100 bucks. That's crazy. We got look at that. You could buy it in TCG. So 8,000 TCG for a gold. It looks like it has a Asia castle. So that's pretty cool. So you guys can get the castle on your land. And then we got, look at that, diamond, 4.4 BNB. So what is that, like 1,000 bucks? A little under 1,000 bucks? Crazy stuff. So guys, if you guys want to go ahead and get those, they may not be available for too long. So that is something that you got to think about when the like I was saying with the housing market, the realtor, they were like, man, this is a buyer's market. You can go anywhere, you can offer less, you can tell them that you want them to pay your closing costs, and they were doing it. Nowadays, definitely ain't having your closing costs covered. You're not getting a better deal. You actually might have to go in above the offer. At least as of a couple months ago, I hear things are kind of slowing down with the rates, but man, like it was crazy for a year. I don't even think I saw a for sale sign. By the time it was listed, realtors didn't even have to put a for sale sign up. It was just getting taken off of the market, became a seller's market really quick, and now I think it's kind of starting to even out. I think I have seen a couple signs in my neighborhood, so that is something that I think it's kind of starting to even out just a little bit. So let's go ahead and take a look at the staking opportunities. So they did open up the new pools, guys. So we had your previous pools 18, 23, 10, 10, and you got your new ones. So you got your BSC 1 month or Binance Smart Chain at 21.25%. And then you got your Ethereum at 54.93%. So guys, right now, I've only been in it less than a day, and I've already earned 37 TCG coins. So, that's just kind of my goal. Just let it ride out. I think I got my base. I just want to be a part of the Whales Club, get that 100,000, and now month after month, I'm just gonna kind of ride it out. If I get a little, if I get extra money, of course I'm gonna throw some extra money in there. But right now, that's not really the case. I don't really have too much extra funds like I kind of hoped to go ahead and do so. So, anyway, guys, so. That is that, and let's go ahead and take a look at the map. So, something crazy. I guess they were talking about Destiny AI, which TCG partnered up with, and I guess I don't, from what I hear, they're no longer partnered up with them because the project they're kicking all the TCG people out. So that was kind of I guess the interesting fact of the day. So that's why you don't see Destiny AI in there anymore. But you have your main city, which has shopping mall, official offices, main stadium, city living, central station, parklands, Auto Valley, event center, and public galleries. You have your Asia, your north, your forest, your east, and guys, this is pretty sweet. The Pirate Cove. I heard if you have a dragon, a Dragon Cave Club dragon that has like eye patch or the dragon hat or the pirate hat, then you will get special perks over there. So each of these NFTs, each of these things will have perks. So guys, it's a sleeping giant right now. Go take the loot while you can, because once this giant wakes up, it's just gonna be running. And if you're not holding on tight, if you don't got your bags, it's gonna get away. So anyway, like this video, subscribe to the channel, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, share with your friends. Until next time, guys.